Hello, welcome to the world of aviation. On this channel, you will learn everything you must know to your aviation career take off. On this video, we will see the aeronautical authorities, which through national agencies establish regulations and under them issue for safety certification each aviation sector, manufacturers, operation, infrastructure, maintenance, etc. Let's see them. Nowadays, ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, is the international agency that suggests procedures and best practices for global aviation. National agencies analyze and adapt them to their reality, strictly following flight safety standards. We have here the main agencies: EASA, European Aviation Safety Agency, in the European Union; UK Civil Aviation Authority from United Kingdom; FAA, Federal Aviation Administration in USA; and ANAC, Agência Nacional de Aviação Civil in Brazil. But how did all this start? After the I-World War, the Paris Peace Conference in 1919 created the Aviation Committee, first initiative for aviation standardization. In 1929, the Warsaw Convention determines the responsibilities of transport companies regarding personal injuries, deaths, loss and damage to baggage and cargo, documentation, unification of rules, and tickets. The Chicago Convention in 1944, also known as Convention on the International Civil Aviation, was signed to establish rules of airspace, aircraft registration, safety, security, sustainability, and the rights to air travel, and created the ICAO. Since 1947, ICAO provide the SARPS, Standards and Recommendation Practices, the technical specifications for a safe global aviation. Here we have the SARPS from ICAO, presented in annexes. Each annex recommends the best practices related for one subject of aviation. Now, we will see about certifications. The certifications for manufacturers of aeronautical parts or products, aircraft, are CINCI DOA, Design Organization Approval, for design, POA, Production Organization Approval, for production, and Initial Airworthiness, Type Certificate, TC, for delivering the part, aircraft, ensuring safety flight. For operators, airlines, the required certification is the Air Operator's Certificate, AOC, that allows an operator to perform specific operations of commercial air transport. For infrastructure, airports and services, the required certification is the Airport Operational Certificate, AOC, that allow an airport to operate commercially, meeting the necessary safety standards and requirements regarding facilities, operations, and procedures to ensure safe aircraft movement and passenger handling. For maintenance organizations, the required certification is the Maintenance Organization Approval, MOA, that allow an organization to perform maintenance, repairs, and inspections on aircraft or parts, signifying that they meet the required standards for safety and airworthiness. And, finally, for CAMO, Continued Airworthiness, maintenance organizations, the required certification is the CAMO certificate, issued to an organization that is responsible for managing all the processes necessary to ensure an aircraft remains airworthy throughout its operational life, meaning it is in a condition suitable for safe flight by adhering to relevant airworthiness standards and performing required maintenance tasks. On our next video, we are going to see the required training and regulations for each role to work in aviation. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please click in the thumb below, support us, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like it,